Just
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlog, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, put that bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. So guys, today's video is going to be kind of beauty, kind of vlogish, because we're gonna be doing like a glow up, Christmas glow up kind of video. So we're gonna go from blah to wow, you know, or somewhat wowish. So this is on a budget though, because you know we ain't rich, so we gotta do what we gotta do. So we're starting off with my hair tonight. I'm gonna do my hair. It's currently Thursday night. This is my hair. I washed this yesterday, so it's well shrinked and looking rough. But anyways, I'm gonna start with my hair, and then tomorrow we're supposed to go and get my nails done, but it's about in the afternoon. I wanted to get my lashes done, but I don't know all the story. I was with me on my lashes, just never work out. So I don't think that's gonna work out. So I think it's just gonna be the hair and nails kind of thing. I'm gonna think no, and eyebrows, which I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'm gonna start my hair right now, just pull it out and all. So I'm gonna start, and then you guys will see the process and all. So I'm actually braiding my hair, and I'm braiding it with this hair right here. It's called the 3X Expression Pre-Stretch Braid, and it's 58 inches. 58 inches, yeah. And this is 1B, and I also got a color which is the burgundy. So yeah, and I'm not going to be cutting this, so this is going to be very long. I wanted it to be longer, but if I do it like this, it's going to be too long. It's going to be like at my ankles, so not too much of a twist right now. So yes, it's going to stay like this. So yeah, I'm gonna start. So the quality right now, because of the lighting, is so terrible. But anyway, sorry, excuse that, don't mind it. So guys, sure. She's crying. She's afraid. Why have you turned on the camera so you're feeling giddy? Come. No, me know Shani can feel it. Up with you. And then for Shani, you know when we say you try to get it neat. Ay. After my party, I put this in it and then go through and part again, because this helps if you part straight.
What is that?
And gel, but through it lie, make your hair lie down, so I show you so you not part good if you not part good. back at it again this morning. It's currently, I don't know what time, 7:51. I went to bed like after 12, and then 7:51 I'm up again. Yeah, life of me braiding hair. I did start late though, because if I did start in the morning I would have finished, but I was doing my sister's hair, so I never finish. Hey mom. Hey mom. Oh gosh. So I was showing you guys a while ago that I was finishing up my hair. It wasn't finished last night, so I had to finish it this morning. So it finally is finished. So wait, no man, me vlogging. So it's just for me to oil and then hot water and then
No, your hot water first, then don't it?
yeah, and then mousse it. Yes, that's the hair. Yeah, done finally. It was done finer than I thought it would be done, and thicker than I thought it would be, because of how I put in the braid, so it end up be thicker than how me normally would I do my hair. But I like it, it's cute. Yeah, burgundy in the mids, not so vibrant. Yeah. So yes, ready for go to my nails later. I'm gonna do mommy's hair in a bit, and then I'm gonna go down about midday or so if we could get my nails done. So oh yes, and I also shaved my eyebrows while I was waiting on mom, so that's done and out of the way. Alright guys, so we're finally, it's like after 2, finally going down to the nail set. Hopefully we can get it done. If not, call it a day.
Sure. Oh, but can you shave my eyebrows?
Yeah, I've done it before.
Carry on, go do it now. Carry on, now make you go up.
Oh yeah, steer for if you want to call, so you keep the on. Jesus. Anyways, I'll see you guys at the nail set. I already know what's the time I want to show, but my teeth a little look. I'm not sure, I'm just show the nail. Hi guys, so I'm back. I came back probably about an hour ago. I left the nail tech like nearly 11 o'clock. Yeah, I had to sit and wait. But yes, these are the nails. I'm gonna show you guys a better view of it in a while. So yes, I had to sit for quite some time because you have to go in with your space. It's who come at what, you have journey line when I reach. So yes, we had about 2 persons in front, and she was doing some wig installs at the time. So yeah, just reach home. I go get into bed right now, and then tomorrow I will go and do my lash, hopefully. I don't know if I go and there's people there and I have to wait, it not gonna bother do. So what am I gonna do when I'm going up on the taxi? I'm gonna stop off, check before me even make a taxi left me. I go check, see if up there full, if she have nobody in a seat, if me have to wait too long. If me have to wait, it not gonna bother do. Me not bother do it. Cause me not sit down and wait for one lash video. It not important at all. Anyways. So yes, I'm gonna show you my nails up close. Alright, so these are the nails. I did them short because just never in a mood for nothing tall right now, but yeah. So I wanted white and red. I wanted something festive, so that's the style I got. And then I love this one, the little snowflakes. So yes, these are my nails, guys. I am loving these. They're really cute in person. I don't know if them are show or more them show, but yeah, them nice. Yeah. Alright guys, now see if I can do the lash. Guys, as you saw, I did get the lash. I did finally get my lashes done. So yes, they're done. I had to just come home, rush, get ready. So this is the lash. Yeah, so anyways, this is my suit. I'll show. So this is the suit. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.